Welcome to my online English class. I'm teacher Nadia. Today we're going to look at short communicative writing tasks. I will use a technique to help you to answer part 1 in your writing task. So stay tuned with me. Before we begin, let's look at how to do the short writing. Number 1. Make sure you read and underline what the question wants. Number 2. Plan and organize the structure of your message. Remember, plan, plan, and plan. It is advisable that you use the mind map technique to help you at your pre-writing stage. Number 3. Try to make your writing without copying from the text. Number 4. You can make your own event. You don't have to follow the text unless the question asks you to follow the text. Number 5. Usually, we use the 5W1H to plan the writing. The 5W1H are what, when, where, who, why, and how. For example, what is the event? When is that? Where is that? Who will be there? Why do we need to join? Is it good? And how we go there. This is how the question looks like. In part 1, paper 1119/2, which is email writing. Now let's take a look at part 1 in your email writing. You must answer this question. Question 1. You received an email from your new friend, Amy, who has just moved to your hometown. Hi! The school holiday is finally here. Let's go for a picnic with our friends. Where shall we go and what can we do there? What should we bring? I'll be waiting for your reply. Bye! Now, write an email to your friend in about 80 words. Write your answer below. Okay, the technique that I'm going to use for this short writing task is using mind map to plan at your pre-writing stage. Remember, before you start writing, you need to plan first. This is what we call as pre-writing stage. I'm very sure that everyone knows what is a mind map. So as you can see on the screen, here is the blank template of a mind map. At the center of the mind map, you can write a topic. You can come up with your own topic as long as you understand what is it that you need to write in your email. So in this case, I'm going to write email to Amy. And then, to fill up the small circle in your mind map, okay, we have intro for the first circle, which is introduction. Okay, then moving on to the questions that you need to answer when replying or writing your email, which is where to go, and then we have what to do, and also what to bring. Last but not least, we will have a closure in your email. You can come up with your own version of email as long as you plan first at your pre-writing stage using a mind map. Now take a look at the mind map which is already filled with ideas and points. Okay, so we have intro, which is introduction. Yes, I'm free. That's a great idea. Then we have where to go. Okay, those are the suggested places for Emmy, which is park, beach, waterfall, and you can add on your own ideas if you wish to. Okay, and then we have what to do. Play games, get to know each other, swim, and chat. And then we have what to bring. Foods and drinks, mat, ball. Last but not least, we have closure. Then we can say looking forward to your reply and bye. Now, after we have filled in points and ideas into the mind map, it is time for us to decide on the sentence connectors and linkers. Sentence connectors are used to link ideas from one sentence to the next and to give paragraphs coherence. Not only that, sentence connectors perform different functions and are placed at the beginning of a sentence. They are used to introduce, order, contrast, sequence ideas, theory, data, and etc. This essay part 1, we can have furthermore, moreover, and some sentence connectors such as for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Now, when you are all ready with your points and ideas in the mind map, you can start writing your email. As you can see here, this is a sample essay of your email writing in part 1, paper 1119/2. 2 is Amy's email, which is amy123@gmail.com. Subject, picnic at Fair Park. Hi Amy, I am free on this weekend and I think it is a great idea to go for a picnic during this school holiday. A great place for a picnic is definitely Fair Park. It is situated near the lake. Why don't we go this Saturday? I will also invite some of our classmates to join us. I think this is an opportunity for you to get to know them better. I will ask Linda. Moreover, we can bring some foods and drinks too. My mom can bake her famous chocolate cake for us. It is a great idea too if we bring a mat to lie down and a ball that we can kick around. Furthermore, we can swim and play some games together. I am certain that we will have a blast. Looking forward to your reply. Bye! So here's the whole essay that we have completed. All the ideas are taken from the mind map that we have created in the earlier stage. As you can see in the first paragraph, those are the introduction that we took from the mind map. Then I'm going to highlight in blue color all the ideas and points that we took from the mind map. So we have also invite some of. Then we have get to know them better. Next, bring some foods and drinks. Bake her famous chocolate cake. Bring a mat to lie down and a ball. Can swim and play some games together. So those are the ideas that we have discussed in the mind map. Also, as you are writing, you can also add more ideas if you come across new ideas. Not necessarily for you to put it in your mind map, but at least you plan first and you jot down all the ideas that come across your mind into the mind map. So now we are going to look at the linkers that we have in the essay. So I'm going to highlight it using the red color. So we have two linkers, which are moreover, and furthermore. Now, can you see how the ideas and the linkers are being used in the whole essay? We have now come to the end of the sharing session. Therefore, I would like to remind you the importance of pre-writing strategy. Pre-writing is the first stage in the writing process. When using a pre-writing strategy, you jot your initial thoughts about a topic down on paper. Pre-writing has no set structure or organization. It is usually just a collection of ideas that may find themselves in your paper over time. Pre-writing is also a great way to get past writer's block, that period of time when you find you have no ideas or don't know how to put your thoughts together. There's no right or wrong way to approach pre-writing, but there are some strategies that can get you thinking. One of the strategies is the mind mapping strategy. Mind mapping is very similar to free writing, but the outcome often looks more like a list of ideas. This strategy is quite similar to brainstorming, where the listed ideas may or may not be connected with arrows or lines. Therefore, instead of writing sentences, you are quickly jotting down ideas, perhaps showing connections and building a map of your thoughts. When you are creating your mind map, you can also use the 5W1H questioning method to help to expand the topic given. For example, as you can see here on the screen, you can ask questions like, who are you? Where are you? What is happening to you? Why is this happening? And how do you solve your problem? This approach helps you to understand a situation by analyzing all facets and to distinguish a question. Not only that, it allows you to ask the right questions, spreads your investigation, and obtains the correct knowledge to help you find the appropriate answers for your needs. And that's the end of the whole session of sharing tips and techniques to help you to write part 1 in your writing.